Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to edit screenshot instantly. So first of all, you need to take a screenshot. So simply here, I am going to take the screenshot of the settings page. Take a screenshot. Now here you can see one edit button. I tap on this one. Okay. Now the pen symbol is selected. You can see. So here we can adjust the size. Now I am going to do this one. If you want to erase this one, tap on the eraser symbol. You can erase this one also. So here you can see lots of options. So after edit, just tap on this one. After edit this one, you can easily save this one. You can see. Save this one using this download button. If you go to your gallery, you can see that a screenshot is here. So simply in this way, we can edit the screenshot instantly on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.